This is our sauce. We'll bungee the fish with the sauce. All right. I have some fresh spring onion.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This morning I went to the local wet market and I found this very fresh, very fatty flounders. It's approximately 900 grams. I bought it at about 20 over ringgit. I think it's about approximately 27 ringgit per kg. Very reasonable. This is why you all should try wet market. What I did was after washing, oh, by the way, make sure you wash out the middle blood here, which is what they normally call it the kidney. That is the kidney of the fish, and that is the source of fishiness. You must make sure you wash away the kidney. Yeah. Then make few slits on the fish body, and I place some ginger at the bottom and few pieces of ginger on top. And we are going to steam it for approximately 10 minutes or 10 plus. And later, after we steam, I'm going to make a simple sauce. Initially, I wanted to use salted black bean. I don't have salted black bean today with me, so let me focus it at the back. I don't have salted black bean with me, which is what I originally wanted to do. Instead I use taucu, which is fermented soya bean, approximately 1 tablespoon, some shallot, ginger, garlic, white portion of the spring onion, and some red chili. And of course, I'll be putting in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, 100% natural, and you can get it from your Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. Not sure if I forgot, have I mentioned that I did sprinkle a little bit of salt on top, yeah? Alright, I have preheated my combi oven, steamer oven here. Then we put in the fish. Alright, while waiting for the fish, we are going to make some sauce. Give it a bit of oil here, vegetable oil. Heat it up. So like I mentioned earlier, if you have the salted black bean, do use it, yeah? You'll be even more fragrant. So once the oil is heated up, we can put in the shallot, ginger, garlic, and everything else. Saute a bit. We come back shortly. This is after approximately a minute or two sauteing. Next thing, I'm going to add in some hot water. Now I'm going to change this hot water to become chicken stock. Very easy. Just add in the hot water, follow with my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. 1 teaspoon, done. It is now becoming chicken stock powder. Sorry, chicken stock. Look at this. I don't mind giving a little bit more water. And let's season it a little bit. Give it a bit of salt, a bit of sugar. Did I say salt? It was light soya sauce. I added light soya sauce just now, not salt. Now I'm going to add some salt. All right. You can choose to starch this or not, up to you, no problem. Do I want to starch it? I think let me starch it a little bit. Right now I can off the fire and give it some starch solution. Give it a few push. If you prefer darker color, of course, you can put in some dark soy sauce if you like. I'm not going to do that. The sauce is ready. Let's just wait for the fish. Wow. So the fish is definitely done together with some fishy water. I don't want all this fishy water, so I'm going to move the fish over to another serving plate. All right, I have removed the fishy water. Next thing, this is our sauce. Let's bungee the fish with the sauce. All right. I have some fresh spring onion. And few dashes of white pepper, done. Beautiful steamed fish with bean paste. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.